Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. But before we go there, I just want to actually explain some few things for you, especially about Forex risk management, guys. So what is actually risk management? Mostly we just do the analysis, we just talk about trading, but mostly we don't actually talk about risk management. Or if we talk about it, we don't really explain it much. You see, so now I'm just going to squeeze this and summarize before we go on our daily analysis. Don't forget, before we go on that, don't forget that we actually have a special for you guys. If you still remember, we have actually a Prime Robot, which is actually $45. Mentorship also $45. VIP signals is also $45. Actually everything each, not everything. So don't forget, don't worry about the Black Friday thing. This special is going to actually last for until Sunday. I'm just using this. I used this before. So yeah, let's go on actually on our risk management. So Forex risk management is a process of identifying and assessing and controlling the threats that arise from Forex exchange speculation. Remember, I just actually prepared this for you so that I can read very quick before we go on our analysis, right? So let me just go back again. Risk management or Forex risk management is a process of identifying, assessing, and controlling the threats that arise from Forex exchange speculation. It helps mitigate and minimize the material and non-material downside of Forex trading. Forex risk management comprises individual actions that allow traders to protect against the downside of a trade. Do you understand that? More risk means higher chance of sizable returns, but also a greater chance of significant losses. Therefore, being able to manage the level of risk to minimize loss while maximizing gains is a key skill for any trader to have. Not easy, by the way, but if you apply these 5 points, obviously you will be safe, right? So here are some tips for managing a risk in Forex trading. Whether you're trading the NASDAQ, whatever, these are the 5 points that you need. First point, use stop loss. Use stop loss orders. Stop loss actually is like you limit your order, your losses. If the market reaches certain level, if you're losing, if the market is going against you, that order is going to close. I hope you know that now. Use limit orders or pending orders. Pending order is like when you see that the market is going to go up to this point and start to push up or to start to push lower, you can see that. But mostly just because we use emotions, you sometimes enter instantly instead of using pending orders. And when the market reaches that level, then it's where you can start the market that order will be triggered. I hope you understand that. Another thing is, or point number 3 is, use leverage wisely. We like leverage because we don't actually have crazy big amount of money. So a bigger leverage means you can trade with actually very little account and still make more. But if you abuse that, mostly that is going to work against you, because now you're going to use bigger lot sizes on a smaller lot size, on a smaller account, then you can easily lose, right? Number 4, diversify your trades. Mostly people, they don't really understand this one because we're talking about trading here, not investing. So diversifying your trades, we mean don't just trade US30, NASDAQ. Mostly they're going to go in the same way. That way you're just trading the same thing. Euro USD, GBPUSD, those are the same thing. So try to mix your pairs. You know what I'm talking about. Try to mix them so that we don't actually have the same pairs, because mostly they're just going to keep moving in the same direction or the opposite, because remember they also have fundamentals. If USD, let's say GBP USD, Euro USD, if the dollar is weak, they will both go up. So it means actually just trading the same thing, even if they're not the same, they are quite similar. I hope you understand that. So make sure that you don't actually trade the same thing, right? So keep an eye on economic indicators or fundamentals or news events. We have news every week, every day. Check your calendar, economic calendar, because that can help you actually to minimize the risk. If you understand to identify those, if you don't really trade fundamentals, you can know that, okay, around 2, there is CPI, there is this thing, there is that. Then you know that you're not going to trade around that time. Then you're safe. But if you don't know, you just place the order. You don't know that, okay, it's actually NFP. You just see the market blow in your account. Then you say, oh, this broker is crazy. No, it's you. You did not do your homework. Now I think you understand. So I think maybe this it's much better. Maybe now you will tell me if maybe you want me to cover something else. So for now, we can just go on the market and see what we can get. Please, guys, don't forget that we still have this. Join. Prime Robot, VIP signals, mentorship. You can get each of them for $45. Actually, that is limited until this weekend. So let's go on the main screen. So what's really happening here? Okay, I think this camera is very big here. I will try to squeeze this and make sure that you see, because the aim is to yeah, it's for the market, not me. Yeah, now I think everything's fine. So what's really happening on NASDAQ? I hope maybe you can see. This is NASDAQ. We are on 1 hour time frame. Hey, NASDAQ has been pushing up, and some of the moves, they've been confusing me, especially me. So I lost Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now, oh, I'm not ready to lose. I think I won't even trade. So, but what's really happening is where we saw that the market has been pushing to the upside. So the market is trying to push the upside, which is something good. But what we have here is it was very difficult because we did not actually have a proper support. Even this area, the market did not reach. So to say maybe the market was going to return here or bounce back there, it was difficult for me to identify. But after that, I started to understand that, okay, the market means that it's ready to actually to push the upside. But it's a bit confusing because we also have enough stuff going on. Banking sector has been struggling, but what I see on the market, I like what I see, because now the market actually reached my highest level, and on that level I can see that they match very nice. You can see that, okay, if the market breaks that, I will say, okay, now it's our time to do what? To push the upside. If not, maybe we'll start to see the market pushing lower. And now I have some points where I can identify. Guys, it's normal to lose in the market. As long as once you lose, you're learning something from that, then that is better than nothing. So what I see is I am expecting the market maybe to break this area. If the market doesn't really break, maybe we will see the market trying to push lower, and we'll see maybe the market respecting one of these support areas. But it seems like the market is about to break that, which means we're going to continue doing what? Buying. So yeah, I think that can be something very nice. So let's go straight to, whoa, US30. US30 has been like seriously busy, but what we see here is, I think it's quite straightforward. Actually straightforward. I had a buy actually yesterday, but the market rejected very aggressively. Then I had to actually get out of that. But I started to realize that, yeah, my stop loss was very, very close. But what we see here is we see that the market is actually out of this downtrend here. You see the market was actually going down. So now we started to see that, okay, the market is pushing to the upside very nice. So now it's our chance to do what? To continue pushing to the upside. But where we are now, you can't just jump on the market. We can wait maybe a little bit for a smaller rejection before pushing up. There's a chance that the market might not create that rejection. If you want to jump on the market, I think maybe you can with a smaller lot size. You remember the risk management that I was talking about. You can just apply. Maybe you can enter stop loss very close. Then you just relax. You see, I hope maybe you understand that. I hope you understand. So let's check if maybe we can get something on gold. I don't really want to analyze so much stuff. Gold also punched me, guys. Gold also punched me. How? Actually, it was tough this week, guys. So what's really happening is we have a nice uptrend here. a very nice uptrend. But the problem is, I entered around this area. I think it was around this area. I was in a very nice profit before I go to sleep. Then the market pushed lower and my stop loss was very, very close to this support area. It touched, but now it's back. This is crazy, but you know what? We're not going to give up. We still have enough time. Chances or opportunities are still around the corner, so we're still going to smash the market. But what I see is, I see that the market actually respected my support very nice. Unfortunately, my stop loss was very close, so it touched the stop loss and pushed up. But we don't really have to guess and say, what if the market did not, just because the market did not actually break that, it broke actually. But we don't have to say, I don't have to put the stop loss. What if the market bounces back? So the question is, what if the market kept pushing lower? It means I was going to lose more. I did lose, but if there was no stop loss, it means if the market kept pushing lower, that was going to be a different story, you see. So I hope you understand that. So we are on a very nice uptrend. The market might still come back again. We can keep buying. Actually, on a buying spree actually on gold. Sorry. We are actually on a buying spree on gold. So let's see something else. Sorry. Let's go down, which is GBPUSD. I did show this actually in the group. It seems like the market is still going towards our resistance. I'm ready actually for the market to break this so that we can take that to buy. I'm expecting the market to keep pushing up around that level. So breakout around this resistance is going to be very nice. Then we can take some very nice buy position. So I hope maybe you understand. Let's see if maybe we can check also USOIL. What's really happening on USOIL? The market is been actually on a very nice sell for quite some time, and even now we're still on that. It's just that now the market is just reversing for some for now. Then or we can say going back to retest maybe towards our resistance area before we see maybe another sell. But you can see that the market is been actually giving us some very nice downtrend. So the market is still downtrending. So I'm still expecting the market to push lower. If you go closer there, you can see that the market is actually doing what? The market is actually trying to give us another sell. And if that happens, we're going to take that. I hope you see that. So thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And don't forget that we have a special. This is limited, guys. If you want the robot, it's $45. VIP signals at $45, or mentorship, it's also $45. So let me know if you want to be part of the team. So thank you very much, guys. Please don't forget to smash the subscribe button. This helps the group to grow very nice. So yeah, thank you. I will see you on the next video. So if you want to talk to me, check my description. You will find my WhatsApp, and then you can talk to me there. Right? Thank you very much. Bye.